Yeah, so let me show you this simple pattern I use to play chords. All I'm doing is very, very simple. I'm making sure that certain number of chords use the same pattern. So the major chords have the same pattern and the minor chords have the same pattern. So what I mean is my do, fa, and so, they use the same pattern, and then re, mi, and la, they use the same pattern. So this is what I mean. So my fa and so and do, they use the same pattern, and then my la and re and mi, they use the same pattern. So this is the pattern for my fa. So on my 6th string, right, I'm putting my index finger there. So imagine first of all playing the normal bar chord like this, the normal F bar chord, right? Imagine I'm playing the bar chord like this, but I'm taking out these 2 fingers. So I'm taking my ring finger and my little finger out, and I'm left with my index finger and my middle finger. So remember I said my fa, so, and do, they are using the same pattern. So I go fa, this, so, the same pattern, then do, the same pattern. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to think about it. I know you like what you see. So make sure you stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, there's going to be a reward for whoever watches the video to the end. So make sure you don't miss it. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, help us grow further by hitting the subscribe button. All right, let's continue the video. Do, so, fa, right? Fa, so, and do. Then I said my la, re, and mi are using the same pattern. So this is the pattern for la, re, and mi, which are the minors. By the way, your do, fa, and so, they are the majors and they have their pattern. So for the minors, this is la, right? This is my la. So imagine play your A minor chord, bar chord, right? Or imagine playing it like this. There's this pattern that is so, but imagine playing it like this, your A minor, covering everything, but I'm going, this is my A minor here. Then with my middle finger, I'm playing the 3rd string. Then I said my la, re, and mi are using the same shape. So if I carry my la, this is my la, ti, do, re. If I put in the same shape, sounds good, right? Then if I play with mi, the same pattern, sounds good, right? So la, re, and mi, the same pattern, right? So we have our majors and our minors, the same pattern. Sounds good, right? So if you put everything together, so what I was playing is fa, 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 so, so, la, 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 do, do, fa, 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 so, so, la, 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 do, do, la, 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 do, do, la, la, la. So you can create any kind of chord progression you want. So try it and see how this makes sense. So minors, la, 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 la. Majors, and then what is giving it that distinct sound is how I'm playing it on my right hand. What I'm doing with my right hand is that I am palm muting. If you don't know how to palm mute, I have created a special video and explain palm muting properly. So I'm going to drop a video in the description. But all I'm doing with my palm is I'm placing it on the strings, right? So you hear this muted sound, not that sound. So I'm placing my hand to get that kind of dynamic, like a pipe, dun, 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 dun. Right? So that if I play, does that make sense? Yeah. So you can also make it spicy. So tang 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 tang. So I'm trying. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, right? So I'm making a drum. Yeah. So So if you don't know how to play bar chords, I've also created a special video or a lot of videos on how to play bar chords. If you're struggling to play your soloing, if you are struggling to use your pick, all those tutorials, I have them, a lot of them, in my playlist. So make sure you check it out. And if you reach this point, if you've gotten to this point of video, I want you to just say this tutorial was fire, so that I'm sure that you guys actually watch to this point. So this is the reward. So I don't just want you to know a little bit. I don't want you to know one chord progression. I've attached other chord progressions that you can use to practice using this technique. Isn't that wonderful? So in a few seconds, just go through them and practice them. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, and keep watching my videos because they are very, very helpful. If you're also a beginner or you don't know anything about guitar and you want to learn from scratch, I have a beginner guitar course that helps people to understand how to play guitar from scratch, and I'm going to attach that to the description below. It covers your basic music theory, and then it covers your playing your basic major chords, your minor chords, how to strum, how to use the pick, and what else, a lot of things that are very helpful as a beginner. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.